everyone, it's Sarah from Nova Scotia. I'm going to pour on a vase today. I have a spinner so I can turn it easily, and I have a little canvas. It's 9 by 12 that I'm just going to sit under it so I can collect the paint that runs off of it. So it's really, the vase I have, it's really wide and it's too big to put a cup under, so I'm actually going to use this empty Floetrol bottle. So I'm just going to sit this here and just going to tilt the camera back a little bit so you can actually see the whole thing. I think that'll work. Okay, so I am going to use, I'm just going to put that down for a second. I don't want that to fall. So I'm going to use my split cup. I haven't had much opportunity to use it, even though it's a mess. But I'm going to use these colors here and in the split cup, and then I'm going to pour it on top. All right, I hope this works. And I hope this doesn't fall off. Okay, so I'm gonna pour this on top and then not spin. I'm not gonna spin it, I'm gonna turn it slowly at the same time. And I still don't have the camera that you can see. I'm gonna tilt this back a little more. I need a little more. I think I'm gonna have a little more just in case. Okay, so I got a little more in here. I don't think I need a whole lot. This looks pretty awesome. There's just a little bit there that doesn't have coverage, so I'm just gonna pour a bit more on. Okay, this has sat for like 10 minutes. It looks really awesome. I'm gonna try to spin it around so I can show you. So I think I'm just going to, I might just leave it on that. I had to take it off the canvas after I turned the camera off because it almost fell. Actually, it did fall. I just had to tip it a little bit and let some more run off the top there. Okay. Okay, so this had some more time to drip. My camera shut off there. I just, there's the canvas. I just propped it up and let it run down. And then I have a second canvas that I had sat under the first one because there was so much on there. That one's not as nice. It's kind of more muted, but this one turned out really cool. And the vase is gorgeous. Just gorgeous. So I hope nothing happens to that overnight. I'm just going to let it sit and dry like that. But I'm really happy with how it turned out. I'm going to definitely do more of these. I'll be back when it's dry. All right, so the vase is finished. Resin's dry. I sanded down the top. Look at this. It turned out really awesome. And I'll show you the canvases. So here's the one that was kind of like muted. Not as exciting, I guess. And this one turned out really nice.